Put a 3mm flat bladed screwdriver in this slot and prise upwards. Ease off each side tags. Gently split apart. Gently coax out the battery with your screwdriver inserted in this spot. Order a brand new CR 2032 battery. Protect the battery from grease and insert it back under the top tab and to the side of the second contact. Push home firmly. Locate the top cover. Align the two halves and press firmly together until it clicks. Insert the key blade the right way around. Push together and click into place. Check the little light comes on. Job done.